Hey you guys, for this group of students, you guys are going to be creating the header of your website. And if I go to hailphoto.weebly.com, we can look at my header right here. Your header is that picture that kind of just greets everyone that says, "Hi, I'm here," or shows a little creativity. Now, you're going to create this today, and I'm going to show you how to do it in Photoshop, how to set it up properly. You do not need to do yours like mine with all the separate letters. You have creative freedom on this. It's your website. It might be a good thing or probably a great thing to go to other websites and check out their headers and see what it looks like. If you are interested in doing this, stay tuned and I will show you exactly how I did this. So I'm going to open up Photoshop. I'm going to go to File, New, and I'm going to name this website header. And for some of you guys who work a little faster, maybe your idea wasn't as complex as other kids, you can make multiple headers. One for each page, of course, but you can make a separate header for each of your web pages if you would like. So we're going to do the width. We're actually going to go to pixels on this one, and we're going to do 1100 pixels by 100 pixels. Resolution, remember, resolution is going to be 72 dots per inch, or pixels per inch, pixel dot, because this is going on the web. It's going to be a web document. Anyway, RGB again because it's going to be on the web. If we were going to do this in print, remember we would do it in CMYK if we were doing print. And I always love a transparent background, which is that checkerboard. I'm going to move these off so I can actually see what I'm doing. And down here, remember if you can't see your layers here or any of this stuff, you go to Window and then click on Layers. Alright, so here's your little box, and remember we always like to pull out just a little bit of the arrow just to make sure that we can see our entire canvas. And from now you can go ahead and start making your own if you want and work in layers, whatever it is. At this point, if you know you don't want to do the letters like I did, you can go ahead, turn this off, and get started. But for those of you guys who want to just quickly see how I did this, keep watching. So I just went to a website called Etsy, and Etsy is a marketplace for everything kind of handmade and some collectible stuff. And I just started typing in like the letter N. And I got kind of cool letters just right away like this. And you can actually buy them if you want. But I just went in and I think this is neat because it has the camera by it. And then I just saved my image to my computer. You guys, I'll put it in my pictures and I'm going to go ahead and create a new folder. And I'll name this Etsy Letters. Well, it's not spelled, but you get it. And I'm going to go ahead and open. I'm going to save all my letters there. And if you look up here, it's kind of neat. They have a lot of items. Excuse me. But I liked them because you can mix them around. But it's kind of neat because you can see like hearts and stars. So I'm not going to show you how to do everything because I don't want to waste your time. But I'll just go back to here now. And I want to File, Open. I'm going to go to my libraries. I'm going to go to Pictures. I'm going to go to Etsy Letters. And in here you would have all your letters to spell this already. Like I said, I'm just going to do a quick sample. It's very big. And so I'm just going to go ahead and use my Move tool. I'm going to drag it over there. I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, and Scale. Now, it's a little difficult with this one. What I would probably do, and I'm going to go backwards here. Well, I'm going to hit ESC. I'm going to step backwards. I'm going to go to the original picture on this one. And I'm going to go to Image, Size. And I'm going to just quickly resize this. And let's see if that helps a little bit. Maybe even a little smaller. Alright, there we go. And that way then, we can resize it and be able to see it. So transform, scale. Okay. And then what I did was I just layered them on top of each other, or I cropped some things. Sometimes I cropped it out a little bit. Oops, wrong one. I'm actually going to use this selection tool. That's easier. See how I did that? I used that selection, that rectangular marquee tool to go in there. And then I just hit backspace. Too close. And I want that ugly thing out of there. Right? And then I went to deselect. And then I would just keep doing the same. And I would spell out Nathan Hale or your photo page or whatever it is that you want. And just keep bringing them in. When you're done, it needs to be saved as a JPEG. And remember, that's here. Okay? And you'll hit save. Oops, I hit cancel. You're going to hit save as. And you'll hit JPEG. And it'll say OK. And then when you get done, you're going to log into your Weebly account. You're going to go to your website. Wrong one. Sorry guys, it's early in the morning. Okay, and you're going to go to pages. And on your home page, it should say short header. You hit save and edit. And then over here is where you can edit it. Excuse me. And you can upload that new picture. And then you can do another page. Like it'd be kind of neat for your contact me page to have it spelled out contact me or photo one or whatever it is. Alright, so I hope this helps. If you have any questions, go to the So Creative app and type me a question and I'll be over to help.